There's no feeling compared to having the latest Apple phone. Even better, using it with the newest iOS is a great experience. But you need to get some settings done first. Today's iOS 16 hidden settings. Unlock iPhone 14 secret settings now. It takes you through all the hidden settings for iOS 16 and iPhone 14. Let's go! Automatic verification. Did you know some iPhone 14 settings can help save your life? Keep watching if you want to know more about it. But for now, let's look at some Apple iOS 16 settings you might not be aware of. First is automatic verification. It can sometimes be annoying to go through the captcha process to verify your identity. iOS 16 introduces a new automatic verification feature that uses details about your device and your Apple ID to prove that you are a legitimate user, not a robot. To enable this, open Settings and tap on your Apple ID. Then go to Passwords and Security and scroll to the Advanced section. Lastly, turn on automatic verification. That's it. Safety check. No wonder people couldn't wait for the iOS release date. If you care so much about your privacy, then iOS 16 is for you. It introduces this new feature that stops users from sharing information about their location and other data with individuals and apps with just a couple of taps. Go to Settings, Privacy and Security, and Safety Check to do this. You can choose between Emergency Reset or Manage Sharing and Access. You can use Safety Check to check who you're sharing information with, restrict messages and FaceTime to your iPhone, reset system privacy permissions for apps, change your passcode, change your Apple ID password, and more, according to Apple support. Protect mail activity. Again, for security's sake, you must turn on mail privacy protection. One of the essential iOS 16 features is the Protect Mail Activity feature. It hides your IP address, so senders find it challenging to learn about your mail activity, such as when you open a received mail. Also, it helps to hide your exact location from mail senders. Go to Settings, Mail, Privacy Protection, and then turn on Protect Mail Activity. Quick and simple. Lossless audio. Let's make some music settings. Lossless audio ensures that you get the best quality of music possible. Enable this by opening Settings, tap on Music, Audio Quality, and toggling on Lossless Audio. You can now enjoy quality music.
Yeah, good music, my turn, my music.
Talking about quality, did you know that a hidden iPhone 14 setting can bring out every detail of your pictures that you take? We will soon show you, so stay tuned. To enjoy more quality content, please subscribe to our channel to watch more about all iOS 16 hidden features and Apple in general. Prevent cross-site tracking. Maybe you are unaware of this, but some websites track you. For example, Facebook uses the like and share button to track data from your phone even when you're not using them. Prevent cross-site tracking can stop this. To enable it, go to Settings, Safari, and then switch on Prevent cross-site tracking. Very easy. Siri pause time. Did you know that Siri can now wait longer for you to finish speaking before it carries out the instructions? It is straightforward to set that up. Open the Settings app on your iPhone, select Accessibility, scroll down to the General section, and select Siri. You can choose between the default, longer, and longest options under the Siri pause time section. Now let's focus on the crucial iPhone 14 settings you need. Startup sound. You can hear a boot chime when you're turning on or off your iPhone 14 models. To set it up, open Settings, choose Accessibility, tap Audio/Visual under the Hearing menu, and lastly, toggle on the Power On and Off sounds option. There you go.
Very simple place.
Always on. Always on is a feature that allows your iPhone 14 Pro or iPhone 14 Pro Max to dim the lock screen while still displaying information such as time, widgets, and wallpaper. It helps save battery drainage. There's even a hidden feature to try a black and white always-on display on your iPhone using a focus mode. To enable this, open Settings, then Focus. Select Focus Mode. Tap on Options, and finally, enable Dim Lock Screen. The dim lock screen setting will be in force when that focus mode is activated. Action Mode. This feature on iPhone 14 enables you to record content without having to worry about destabilization or shakiness. If you allow Action Mode, you can have almost perfect shots that are fully stabilized and ready to publish. To enable this, open the Camera app. Swipe to Video Mode. and tap on the action mode symbol, a running stickman. You can now shoot a perfect video even if you're running. Emergency SOS. Apple allows you to make emergency SOS calls with simple clicks. With iPhone 14 models, you can make SOS calls via satellites even when you don't have a cellular or Wi-Fi connection, according to Apple support.
First, you'll provide some information about your situation for emergency services, and you'll see choices to specify your emergency based on your answers. Then your iPhone will guide you to connect to a satellite.
You can enable this with either the call with hold or call with 5 presses option. To turn this on, open Settings, tap Emergency SOS, and switch on either Turn Call with Hold or Call with 5 presses. Emergency SOS on iPhone 14 Pro or Pro Max allows you to reach an emergency service provider with quick and easy steps. Camera settings. iPhone 14 Pro allows users to take clear pictures using the new 48-megapixel sensor. Although it takes pictures in bigger sizes ranging from 75 megabytes to 100 megabytes, it captures more detailed images. To set it up, first enable Apple Pro RAW. Now open the Settings app, tap Camera, and choose Formats at the top. Tap the toggle next to Apple Pro RAW to turn it on. Now open the Camera app and make sure RAW shows up in top right or bottom right corner. That's it. Enjoy quality pictures. Which of these settings did you find very helpful? Let us know in the comment section. I am sure that these settings will make your iOS 16 experience on your iPhone 14 model great. The upcoming iOS 16 update will make it even better. Watch the iOS 16 updates coming, everything you need to know on our channel to get you all you need to know about the next iOS 16. Bye!